shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees. Turn around and go.
Good day, my people. Good day. Good day. You're with your girl Rose and Lauren JM. And today we are going on road. We're going to the art walk. Yeah, so this is basically what I'm wearing. Yeah, as I said, we're going to the artwork today and we're going to show you guys around Kingston and the artwork and all the beautiful art murals that are in Kingston City. So, yeah.
So we're on the Colorable Road.
On the
So
color
we're
train.
at the artwork, yeah. So we're at the artwork, people, and these are all the arts on the wall. You like the art then, Eddie?
I really like this side. It looks like
Come. More arts there. As I said, Kingston is filled with arts. One more art in a second.
You think me nice?
why is that so? Why is that?
Abby's complaining about her foot and we haven't seen all the rest of the arts yet. But wherever the yellow brick road is, wherever this brick road is, that's where most of the arts supposed to be. So Kingston is filled with arts.
It sounds like Darby though.
Is there more art there, sir?
Yeah, what on the yellow brick road?
But it sounds like
The color brick road. See art there, sir? Oh! Some more art here. All over Kingston, as I said, there's still art. And there are arts right there. There are arts everywhere. And it goes all the way back out to where the restaurants are. So, but we're gonna go in the sweet store to Kingston Creative and then we're gonna look at more art. So this is the sweet store. And you can see the ground as well. Kingston Creative of obviously store. We're going here. And then we're gonna go upstairs.
God save me.
Sanitize. Delicious, yes? It's sanitized.
Thank you.
We're doing our tour. So we're doing a tour at the Kingston Creative and she's just telling us where and where we are. Okay?
So this is the general area, hot desk area, we come and do solo work. It's also quite good hot desk area, but it's more relaxed. We call it swing storming.
Swing storm, okay.
Yeah. This is our studio, or for anything.
Your studio.
Kids or anything like that.
Okay, that's where you do the podcast. It's gonna start on the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these are office spaces.
Okay.
So we're really good for
Oh, this is the end of the tour? Someone is going to be in car.
Say hi.
the hot desk area and
one of the areas, and this is where the relaxing swing area is. And as I said, we're at Kingston Creative, downtown Kingston. And as I said, this is a cool spot for you to come and chill, and the price is 1,000 for a boot if you're with your friends, just to maybe chill a little bit. Or if you want to keep activities, I'll send you the information because she's going to send it to me in my link. So yeah, nice places are downtown. As I was saying, nice places are downtown for you guys to come and chill and just have a cool downtown vibe. Alright, I'm just waiting on the information to go to my email, and then we're going to finish the art walk. Alright? No, I'm going to give it to her now. So we just finished in the Kingston Creative, and as I said, we're going to basically go and finish up the artwork, and then we're going to go and get some smoothies at the rest of the Ocean Boulevard. So let's go to that.
One fry, so
What do I need to get fried now? Oh, alright.
I thought we did.
Dancing, dancehall vibe, right? So. And now we're finally out of the artwork and then to the restaurant side. This side is where the restaurant will be. Alright, so we're gonna go buy smoothies. And this is downtown Kingston. We're going to buy a smoothie. So we're in a smoothie place, Island Coffee Cafe, and we're looking at the menu to get smoothies.
Okay, what's the thing? What's the thing?
We would like small,
No color. Give it a smell. Thank you very
Island Coffee Cafe. We're waiting for this smoothie. How does your banana strawberry fruit taste? Tastes like banana. I don't like banana.
It's art, that's just mine. She doesn't have it. I love bananas, but I don't like strawberries. I love bananas.
It's on the table. Okay. So you're enjoying your time downtown now?
Yes, and we can see the ships. It's beautiful.
Alright, so this is berry, something like that. I like it, tastes sour. Tastes like lime. Jay, your one. Let's try yours.
I like it, but this fruit, mashed fruit, is taught me this one.
It tastes mostly like banana. Like the one that I'm with on
This.
Sometimes it's all remember banana.
Mom, tell you something. Just be like a little fairy. Well, no, but we're twins. I mean that. We're twins. Okay. We need a color for our room. We need a color for room. What color?
Oh, how did you get to put them together? That's so cool.
And we can just do that. The blanket, I think.
So we're leaving now. Yeah.
Don't want to walk no more until grandfather comes here.